Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily add signature on the Google Docs. So here I have a document and this documents need to be signed immediately, let's say. And if you want to sign it using the e-sign signature, there's also the feature on the Google Docs where you can add signature. You can just go to tools and you'll see e-signature, but this is a premium feature, so if you cannot use this, but I'm going to show you the alternative. So what you need to do is just go to the add-ons. You can just here go to the extension add-ons and tap on get add-ons. So in here you can just scroll down until you find the e-sign apps. Okay, this one, DocuSign. So actually there are lots of extensions that you can use. For example, I'm going to just write signature as the keyword, and there will be lots of options. You can see there's also Sign Easy, DocuSign, and here Dropbox sign. So you can just choose which one. So for example, I'm going to just go with this Sign Easy. You can sign documents, request signatures, and sign agreements directly from Drive, Docs, and Sheets, and also Gmails. Tap on install, choose your Google account, tap on continue, scroll down and tap on allow. So just wait until the extension installed on your Google Docs. Okay, so now it has been installed. You can click on done and let's just close it. Here let's go to the extension add-ons. Okay, so actually the Sign Easy is on the right panel. Let's just click on the Sign Easy. So the extension or the apps will be shown here on the right panel. Here, sign documents or send them for signature directly from Gmail. You can just tap on start here and then log in with your Google account. Continue again. Tap on accept. Okay, you can go back to the Google Workspace. Here you need to set up your profile first, and you need to allow the app to the document. Here there are two options. You can sign or send for signature. I'm going to just click on sign. Okay, so the Sign Easy will be open on the new tab in here. Let's just wait until it's open. It will loading the document. Load the document. So now the document will automatically open in the Sign Easy. I'm going to just go in here. For example, you can click on signature. You can also add initials or stamp. So you can just click on this, and now you can just drive or type or upload or save. So I'm going to just start drawing, for example. Okay, just like this. For example, you can just click on use. Here you can adjust the size to how you like it, and the signature will be added. When you are done, just click on finish signing. Okay, your document was successfully signed. You can go back to the Google Workspace now. And that's it. So you can see the document summary. If you want to see the previous one, you can see sign. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.